Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an old disc, and my memory is from a man. He worked on the farm with my father, and the disc was in better shape than this, but he put legs on it, and he'd build a fire up under it, and he'd use that thing to fry fish. And you talking about some of the best fish I've ever put in my mouth. He could cook up some fish. Well, he could cook about anything, but there'd be a whole bunch of them. They'd go fishing, and he was one to cook, and he'd cook hush puppies in there, and you couldn't have a lot of oil in here, so this thing would get hot pretty quick. And man, those would be some of the best fish. But this gentleman, he worked for my daddy for a long time. I grew up with his kids, and we more or less feel like we're brothers and sisters. And we lost him and his wife, and his next oldest son and his baby boy, and we've lost all them. He just got one son and one daughter left, and grands and great grands. I was talking with his great grands about how much I loved them, and tell them what good folks the great grandparents were, and the grandparents. But I asked his son about that, called it a spider, and I asked him about it, and he said it disappeared somewhere along the way. And he gave me a kind of a bird feeder holder that his daddy had made, and put together, and I'll paint it up and keep it, and remember the sentimental value of it. But that's been a long time ago, but I just saw this and it jogged that memory of all those good fish we ate out of that. And this man could catch fish. He was outdoorsman. He could fish, hunt, and he was a good guy. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.